A longer letter to my brother. Dear brother, I hope this letter finds you well. Today, I want to take a moment to thank you for everything you have done for me. You are not just my brother, you are my hero, my friend, my guide, and my biggest supporter. When Mom and Dad passed away, I was just a little girl who didn't understand why the world suddenly felt so empty and dark. I didn't know how to move forward without them, but you became my light in that darkness. You stepped in to take care of me, even though I know you were grieving too. I remember the nights you stayed up late helping me with school projects, even when you had work early in the morning. You always encouraged me to do my best and never made me feel like I was a burden. You sacrificed so much to make sure I had everything I needed: a roof over my head, warm meals, and clothes to wear. But you didn't just provide for me. You also gave me love and strength. You became the person I could rely on, the one who always listened when I needed to talk, even about silly things. You comforted me when I cried, cheered me on when I succeeded, and reminded me of my worth when I doubted myself. I know it hasn't been easy for you. You gave up your own dreams to make sure I could chase mine. You worked long hours, rarely taking time for yourself, and you never once complained. You always put my happiness and future first, and for that, I am endlessly grateful. I'll never forget the way you encouraged me when I thought I couldn't do something. You're stronger than you think, you'd say. And every time you were right. I carried those words with me through every challenge, and they always gave me the strength to keep going. Sometimes I think about how different my life would have been without you. Without your support and guidance, I don't know where I would be today. You didn't just take on the role of a brother. You became my mother, my father, and my protector all in one. Now that I'm older, I understand more about the sacrifices you made. I see how much love and patience it took for you to raise me, and I don't take a single moment of it for granted. I want you to know that I notice everything you've done for me, and I carry it with me every day. One of the most beautiful lessons you taught me was the importance of kindness. You showed me how to be compassionate, how to give without expecting anything in return, and how to be strong even when life feels unfair. These lessons will stay with me forever, and I hope to pass them on to others someday. As I write this, I feel so proud to call you my brother. You are the reason I have hope for the future. You are the reason I believe in myself. I hope one day I can make you as proud of me as I am of you. Thank you for being my brother, my role model, and my biggest cheerleader. Thank you for giving me the life that Mom and Dad would have wanted for me. Thank you for your unconditional love, your strength, and your endless patience. I love you more than words can say, and I will spend the rest of my life trying to show you how much you mean to me. With all my love, Anna.